Hello friends. So we have got the next model need, N-E-E-D, need. The negative form is need not. Need not. Contracted form, short form is needn't. Needn't. Alright, that much is clear. Now, the basic meaning of need is necessity. Sorry, need we go for a swim? Need we go for a swim? That means, should we go for a swim? Is it necessary for us to go for a swim? Is it necessary for us? Understand? Need we inform the police about the crime? That is it necessary for us to inform the police about the crime? So, need we do it? Need we stand up all the time in the class? That means, is it necessary for us to stand up always in the class, all the time in the class? Or yes, need we join the picnic party? Need we join the picnic party? That is it necessary for us to join the picnic party? We don't want to go. We want to stay back and study. We want to stay back and read in the library. We don't want to join the... So that is. So is it necessary? Need we go so early? Is it necessary for us to go so early? Friends, you go together to the school, a nearby school. Then one or two of your friends come and call you at 7 o'clock in the morning. Class begins only at 10 o'clock. Then you ask your friends, need we go so early? It's only 7 o'clock. I mean, it's 10 o'clock the class begins. So is it necessary for us to go so early? That is, need we go so early? Need we forgive all the time? See, sometimes what happens, people will come and deliberately hurt you. Then, need we forgive all the time? Is it necessary for us to forgive always? Whatever happens, somebody comes and cuts your throat. Is it necessary for us? Need we forgive him also? See, that is the way. Need we learn this poem by heart? A very long poem. Say one, you have to study a ballad, a story poem, ballad. Gilligan, Father Gilligan. So then the students ask, need we learn the whole poem by heart? Is it necessary for us to learn the whole poem by heart? Understand? So necessity. You need to come early. So that is necessity. So necessary. Then again we can say the negative will be we needn't go for trekking. Not necessary. We needn't go for trekking. We need not go for trekking. We needn't eat meat every day. It is not necessary for us to eat meat every day. We needn't eat meat every day. Needn't. We needn't become millionaires to live a happy life. To lead a happy life. We needn't become millionaires to lead a happy life. So it is not necessary for us to become millionaires to lead a happy life. Most millionaires, it is said, they are leading a very sad life. I don't know why. We need to learn all the lessons for the first sem. It is not necessary for us to learn all the lessons for the first sem. As you can see now, we are doing only half of the lesson. Isn't it? The other half is waiting, it's in the waiting list. So we needn't learn. We need not learn. Another is we needn't worry about failures. Not necessary for us to, in fact we should not worry about failures. In negatives, all the sentences that I have given you as examples, It's a British English. Americans, they prefer don't have. For example, we needn't go for trekking. We don't have to go for trekking. We don't have to go. That is American. We don't have to go for trekking. We needn't eat meat every day. We don't have to eat meat every day. We don't have to eat meat every day. We needn't become millionaires to live a happy life. We don't have to become millionaires to lead a happy life. We needn't learn all the lessons for the rest of life. We don't have to learn all the lessons. We don't have to learn all the lessons. We needn't worry about failures. We don't have to worry about failures. So that is American English way, the American way of speaking. I think they don't prefer need not. Instead they say don't have to. That is clear. So the root meaning of need is necessity. Isn't it? I need 1,000 rupees for buying a what will you get? I need 10,000 rupees for buying a mobile phone. Necessity. I need 10,000. We need single room in the hostel for our privacy as well as studies. It is necessary for us. We need a single room. Right. So that is, necessity is the basic meaning of need. Alright, see, for example, here I have given him, need we go to school every day? A lazy fellow is asking. He is asked by a lazy fellow. Need we go to school every day? You need not go there alone. Needn't. The Americans will say, you don't have to go there alone. You needn't go there alone. You don't have to go there alone. Then the second meaning, you can say, is advice. Sometimes it is used for advising. In that case, the structure is need plus infinitival complements, as it is. Need to take. To take is infinitive. It is an infinitival complement. Listen. And in this case, advice, need followed by an infinitive, it is a main verb. It behaves like a main verb, not like a modal. So, sometimes it behaves as a main verb, sometimes it behaves as modal. So, it's called marginal modal. Marginal modal. Like the dare, D-A-R-E, that's also a marginal modal. Why do you call it marginal modal? Because it behaves as a main verb also. That's the reason. Understand? And now here you can see example, you have been working all day, you need to take rest. Advice. It's an advice. You need to take rest. You need to go early to look after your parents. You need to go early to milk your cows. You need to go to a shop. Need to go. Need to go. Need to come. Need plus infinitive. That is, in that case, need is a main verb. You have, for example, you need to look after your parents. Advice, you need to look after your parents. See, need to look after. To look after is infinitive. When you prefix or write to before a verb, it becomes an infinitive. For example, if you say go, to go is infinitive. Things you have already studied, that's why I am not giving much importance to that. So need plus infinitive, need is a main verb, and the meaning of need is advice. You need to get up early for PT. PT means what? Physical training. Physical training. You need to get up. That's an advice. Not necessary. If you don't come, it's okay, that way. You need to come on time. Advice, you need to come on time. Report on time, you need to. So there also you find need plus infinitival complements or infinitive, just remember like that. You need to meet your class teacher. You need to meet your class teacher every day for taking tuition or advice. You need they need plus to meet. You need to forgive others. That's a good idea. You need to forgive others. Don't keep this hatred in your mind, but that will cause cancer. That's what psychologists say. So what should you do? You should forgive others. So you need to forgive others. You want to lead a happy life? You want to lead a peaceful life? You want to lead a comfortable life? You want to be happy all the time? Then forgive others. And it is certain, you remember, when you forgive, what happens? You become like God. The famous speech by Portia in The Merchant of Venice. You must have read that when you are a small boy, you must have read it in a way of stories now. In Balaramayan Road. Pumbata Balaramayan Road. You must have come across that story. The Merchant of Venice. So there is a court scene. In the court scene, Portia, advocate, she tells Shylock, if you forgive, when you forgive, you become like God. So you forgive. You need to forgive always. You need to forgive everyone. You need to forgive other bad acts of others. You need to forgive when you are attacked. You need to forgive. So that's the advice. That advice is a good advice because then that will keep you healthy. When you forgive, you are gaining, not the other person is losing. We always want to gain, so forgive. That's what you should do. Okay? That is. So in that case, what happens? When you use need for advice, need is followed by infinitive. And then need, there is a main verb. So need acts as a main verb as well as a modal auxiliary. Therefore we say it is a marginal auxiliary. Marginal. I'll write it here for you. Marginal. Marginal auxiliary. M-A-R-G-I-N-A. Marginal. Marginal auxiliary. Understand? So that is marginal auxiliary. Hope that is clear to you. So need is a modal auxiliary. The basic meaning is necessity. As you have seen, need we go to school every day? You need not go there alone. See, this is not in this case it is necessity. Otherwise, you have been working all day, you need to take rest. Then in that case, need is followed by infinitive. Then in American English, they prefer don't have to instead of needing. Americans, they don't say I needn't go, I don't have to go. Somebody has called me, I needn't go. British people will say, Americans will say I don't have to go. I think you heard all the points regarding the modal auxiliary, the marginal modal auxiliary need, and so for the time being you will say, bye, take it easy.